Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. On this channel we talk about trading and investing and building your wealth over time. If you like content like this, smash the like button so more people could see this video. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment. And remember, we're selecting one lucky person on each video to win a free mentorship. So don't forget to comment below to have a chance to win that. Alright? So today we're going to be talking about why taking a break will make you earn more in the longer term. So most traders, when they just get started, they feel like they have to be in front of the markets every single day, but it's not that case. When I just started, I used to be in front of the markets all the time, but then I realized that it's actually draining when you're in front of the markets all of the time because it messes up with your psychology. Because you're seeing the market move in all different directions and all of that, right? And that's where losses come in. That's where all those problematic situations start coming into your trading, right? So if you want to fix that, don't worry, I'm here to help you guys out with that. All right. So when you make a loss in the markets, right, what should you do? Like, have you ever thought about what you should do after you made a loss? Should you sit there and stress? No, I advise you to actually just walk away for a bit and just, take a break, right? Take some time to recover from that trade. Because if you go back into the markets after a loss and it basically impacted your emotions, then you're going to be emotionally trading. Remember, trading is not emotional. It's more of a technical process. It isn't based off of emotions. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It's not gonna move the way how you want it to move. It's gonna move how it wants to move, right? So you just have to adapt to it, right? And if you make a loss, you have to just take the time to recover from that trade, right? So take the time to recover, take a walk, do something else for a bit and come back again, right? So that's the first thing. Take some time to recover and you'll be good. And the next thing is take some time after you recovered from that loss, take some time to review that trade, right? This is super important. If you don't review that trade that you lose, then you'll continuously make that mistake again. Why? Because you didn't take the time out to see why I lost this trade. And if you don't do that, then you're not going to know that you shouldn't make that mistake again. The whole aim of making a mistake once is not to make it again. Like, you should try your best to not stay stuck on that one mistake over and over and over again. Try to make that mistake once, learn and move on from it. Do something else that will prevent that mistake from happening. Even though we're all human, try your best to only to not make that mistake again, right? So if this video helped you out, just like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check out our next video tomorrow. We drop videos from Monday to Friday, so you guys could subscribe to the channel. We are consistent here. So yeah, if this video helped you out, just share it with a friend. And if you guys need some resources to help you out, everything that I use to be successful on all of our programs will be in a little clip next. So just look out for the broker, how we manage our risk, and also all our programs that we have. So our signals, our Forex course, and also our Forex mentorship. So guys, before I go, I just wanted to give you guys like a tool that I use to basically manage my risk properly when I'm in the markets. So let's just do it right now so you guys could have an idea of how it works, and I'll also give you guys some other things that I use to basically improve my trading and how you can improve your trading, right? So basically you go to trading view, right, and the odd USD pair, just clear the charts and do not take this trade. If you see this video today, I'm just giving an example. I'm not gonna properly analyze anything. If you want to learn to analyze the markets, then you have to either get our Forex mentorship or you have to get our course, but I'll go over that soon. And yeah, so let's just say we're gonna take this trade right here and we're gonna enter our short, right? And let's say this is our take profit level and this is going to be our stop loss level, right? And let's say, yeah, let's just say, boom, This is going to be our stop loss, and this is our take profit. So we're going to enter these levels now. So we'll go back to our tool. This tool is going to be linked below. It's Nash Markets. You should use this to manage all of your risk, right? And let's just say we have $10,000 in our account and we're using 200 leverage, because that's with our broker Hanko Trade. Like, you have to use that amount of leverage to be able to get the sign-on bonus, which I'll go over soon. But yeah, 1%. Let's just say we're risking 1%, and our asset class is Forex, because that pair is a Forex pair. So we're going to AUD USD, right? And then we're gonna select the type of position and the direction that we're going into. So we click short. Once we click short, then we just grab our levels. So our levels are 0.77451 for the stop loss, 0.77451 for the stop loss, and our take profit is going to be 0.76255. So 0.76255, right? I'm just gonna press calculate our position size, and as you could see here, that it gives you all the information that you need to be able to enter that trade, right? So it tells you need to use a 0.3 lot size, and you'll be risking $100 to gain $200, right? As I said, I prefer 1 to 3. So if I was taking this trade, I'd prefer like a 100 loss for $300 gain if I was taking the trade, right? But this tool really helps you out a lot, and the link will be below for this tool. But yeah, and then I just want you guys to know which broker I use to be able to, you know, maximize my profits, because as us retail traders, we're normal people. So if you could get a way how you could, you know, get more profits on your trades by getting a bonus, then why not take it? So the link is going to be below for this as well. As you can see here with this broker Hanko Trade, you get 100% bonus, and it's one of the best brokers out right now. I don't know any other broker that's giving away 100% bonus on accounts. So basically, when you sign up, you get 100% bonus, and they're you have to make sure that you put a 200 leverage on each trade, right? So if you have 200 leverage on your account that you sign up with, then you will be able to gain that bonus. But if you have anything higher or lower, then they won't basically give you the 100% bonus. So sign up with this broker. The link is going to be below. And if you guys are suffering with trading and you have no idea like how this whole thing works and you're trying to figure it out, don't try to figure it out by yourself. Like, get some help from me. I'm here to help out any trader that's trying to learn the markets and master it, right? So we have our signals chat right here, and we catch insane amount of pips on this Discord server. So you have 1 month membership, you have 6 months membership, and you have 1 year membership. So you could pick one of these plans to be able to copy my trades that I take. If you're feeling lazy and you don't want to learn how to trade, you could just copy my trades. Or if you're trying to really learn how the market works, which I really recommend you to do, you should take a look at our Forex course if you don't want to be mentored one-on-one. So on this Forex course, you'll be able to learn about the markets, know how it works, learn all the technical parts of the markets, how it moves, my specific strategy. My strategy is pretty simple, but I break down everything in the course, so you could basically go into the course and learn more. As you can see here, these are what people in the program are saying about it, and you could just read about it. The link is going to be below for that as well. And if you're looking for a mentor, then I could also mentor you one-on-one. That's us on a Zoom call for 5 days. Yeah, so it's a 5-day training, and we will both go over the markets, and I'll teach you everything you need to know, so you'll be coming out as a confident trader ready to hit the markets, and you have a solid foundation to continuously make profits in the markets. So that's basically it for this video. All the links will be below for everything that I just discussed a while ago. And if you're trying to learn more about the markets, subscribe to the channel, like this video to help the algorithm, and look out for the next video tomorrow, because we drop videos from Monday to Friday to help you guys on your investing journey to be able to make more money and build your wealth over time, so you can live that freedom lifestyle. Alright, so guys, just subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back tomorrow.